student, this is another important video, but the important video is on your career in law profession. So as a law student, we always believe that if we completed our law degree, we want to have a one dream, that is to become judicial officer. So in this video, I'm just going to let you know it is not necessary to always make a dream to become judicial officer only. There are many lucrative other professions too. So if you have completed your law degree, you can scope for some other careers too. In this video, I'm going to discuss about that is AOR, Advocates on Records Examination. So we will discuss with what is this AOR examination, what are the essentials to crack this examination, and what kind of strategy we as a Pahuja Law Academy is trying to give you so that you can be able to develop this kind of capacity. So first of all, I just start this video with one statement of Justice Sikri. He always says that it is better to be the unique rather to become a best. So if you are not able to crack this best capacity, at least you should ensure yourself as the unique capacity. This unique capacity is to become a advocate not in subordinate courts but in the Supreme Court, which is an apex court of India. So if you want to become an advocate in the Supreme Court of India, what are the important qualifications, what are the necessities, what kind of qualities you should build up so that you can become an advocate in the Supreme Court. So first of all, try to understand, if you want to become an advocate in the Supreme Court of India, it is actually a very prestigious job, prestigious profession. Reason being that you are going to litigate not in any subordinate court but in the apex court, Supreme Court of India. So of course you should have some special qualities. To find out these special qualities among the lawyers, Supreme Court every year conduct a special examination. This special examination is of AOR, that is Advocates on Record Examination. Every year there are approximately 200 lawyers are selected to be enrolled as an advocate on record in the Supreme Court of India. But the question is, how can we become advocates on record in the Supreme Court of India? So remember student, first of all, if you have dream to become a lawyer in the Supreme Court of India, you need to understand there are three essential qualities that you need to develop in your intelligence, in your career. Number first, that you should have the capacity to understand the development of the judgment of the Supreme Court, recently even the landmarks too. So you should build up the capacity to decodify the ratio, the understanding over the comprehensive judgments held by the Supreme Court of India. For that purpose, every year you need to go through all the latest judgment of Supreme Court, especially those judgment of Supreme Court in which Supreme Court has settled down some of the constitutional jurisprudence. So this is the first important essentials, that if you want to become an advocate in the Supreme Court of India, you should develop the capacity to understand, to decodify the judgments of the Supreme Court. That is the first thing. Second thing is that you should need to develop one another important capacity, that is how to draft the pleadings, how to draft the material if you are going to represent in the Supreme Court of India. So legal drafting means pleading and drafting is another important quality that you need to develop if you want to crack this examination. You can understand it by formatting, how to format the contract, how to represent an application, how to format the public interest litigation, how can we format the bail application before the Supreme Court of India, and how can we format the judgment writing, how can we make a brief of any particular judgment. So these are some essentials that you need to develop. The next important thing is that, do you have the knowledge of the Supreme Court practices? Means to say, you need to have the capacity to know that in the Supreme Court of India, there is some special kind of procedure is followed. So you need to work out for that procedure. You need to know how this procedure is to be drafted in the Supreme Court. So these are the three important qualities you need to develop if you want to become an advocate on record in the Supreme Court of India, which as I already told you, this is absolutely is a fine future for you as a bright future lawyers. Now if you think that of course I have these three qualities, if you don't have, you should try to build up these qualities, then the question comes, what are the important legal provisions which settle down this examination of AOR? Remember student, Supreme Court of India has its own proceeding. In its own proceeding, there is one order, that is order number 4. Order number 4 of Supreme Court rulings gives the provision of the examination of the advocates on records. So as per order number 4, the Supreme Court every year conduct this examination, and the lawyers are expected to crack this examination. This examination is not an easy examination. There are so many things that are asked in this examination. But the question is, what kind of qualification you should have before entering to this examination? So remember student, first of all, you have completed your law degree, you have enrolled in a particular state, in a particular state bar council, you have also enrolled and completed All India Bar examination. So you have qualified this All India Bar examination. So you have qualified All India Bar examination, completed your law degree, enrolled in a particular state bar council, and the fourth last one, qualification, which is very, very important. The importance is that of you should have an experience of 4 years practice in any court. So you should have the experience of 4 years practice as a lawyer. If you have all this qualification, then of course you can fill this application of advocates on records examination. Now, one more thing that I want to say as a faculty in Pahuja Law Academy, that what are the things that we are going to build up as a student of law. That first of all, we try to build up the capacity in you to understand how these judgments are framed, how the judgments are giving the brief. You need to have the analysis and discussion capacity to understand the judgment. So we provide you lots of judgment, we discuss in the class, we give you the work assignment to give the brief on a particular judgment. So this is one quality that we want to build up. The second important quality that we want to build up in a student is that you need to have the capacity to format this legal drafting. You should have the capacity to draft legal, particularly pleadings, judgments, orders, etc. So these are the things, and the first and the last, means to say the last important thing, you should have the capacity to understand the ADR policy too, because Supreme Court promotes ADR system too. So you should build up the knowledge in the ADR too. So we provide you all these kinds of facilities, materials, as well as class discussion, so that you will be able to build up this quality and to crack the examination of AOR. So now, if you are thinking about that, you want to become an advocate on record in the Supreme Court of India, and you want to crack the examination, now settle down in your mind what are the qualities you need to build up, that is first thing, and what kind of preparation you need to do. So this will take the 3 months or 2 months preparation, rigorous preparation. After that you will be able to crack this examination. So this was all from my side. Thanks for watching this video.